Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this video we'll understand the C code for our reverse string line by line. So I have all written the C code for you. I have made a lecture part about the LeetCode problem the 344 reverse string. You can check it out in our channel. So without any delay, let's begin. So first we create a function. So the function name is reverse string. So the parameters s stores the string value. These are our parameters. S stores the string value. The parameter s size stores the length of the string. So next we create two variables. We have created two variables, left and right. So left initially equal to 0 and right equal to s size minus 1. So the left pointer starts from the beginning. As I mentioned in the lecture, the left pointer starts from the beginning and the right pointer starts from the end. So now we start a while loop. We are going to start a while loop. So the condition is left is less than right. So this means we continue until both pointers meet each other. So inside the loop, we swap the characters. So initially we have created a character temp equal to s of index left. So we store the left character in a temporary variable. So on the next line we have s of index left equal to s of index right. So the saved character moves to the right position. So now the swap is completed. So now on the next line we have declared we have declared s of left index, the s of index left equal to s of index right. So the saved character moves to the right position. So the right character moves to the left position. This means the left character moves to the right position. So on the next we have s of index right equal to temp. The saved character moves to the right position, and now the swapping is completed. So now we have swapping is completed successfully. On the next line we have left is incremented, moving the left pointer forward. On the next we have decremented the right. That means we move the right pointer to the backward. The process repeats. When the pointers meet each other, the loop's gonna stop. So this string is completed. Now when the string is completed reverse, it's gonna stop. So the solution is very short, easy to remember, and easy to explain in interviews also, and very efficient. So this is all about the C code for our reverse string of a LeetCode problem 344. So let us run this code. So we have successfully run the code. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.